Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, here as in zabantu. So Kesana, as we all know, Vuyokazi and Chef Sabelo are going through the most, guys, and they are going through the most. And also rumor has it they are divorcing allegedly because Vuyokazi unfollowed Chef Sabelo, she unfollowed him, and yeah, it's a drama because of the voice notes that have been going around. Chef Sabelo talking about Vuyokazi, saying that she is acting like Bob the Builder and stuff. So now Vuyokazi went on and unfollowed Chef Sabelo. So rumor has it that they are divorcing allegedly, but we are not sure yet. And then, hey guys, you guys won't believe this. So Kesana girl, as she was trending, she got a job offer out of the country, which is something good, guys. She needs the change of scenery and stuff. But she got this job through a TikTok. So someone on TikTok just saw her and saw the videos, and this person is overseas. The name of the person is Uzowi. So this person just saw the pictures and saw girl trending. She felt sorry for her, and then she decided to give her a job offer. And then girl, now she has her passport. She is ready to fly overseas, guys. I'm really worried about the kids. I'm really worried, and some people were even saying, what if this is all Chef Sabelo? Because he already knows people overseas as he was working there. So now people are just thinking, maybe it's him trying to finish off Vuyo, But congratulations to her, girl. She is getting a new job, starting over, And I feel like every time she goes through something, she always wants a distraction to get over that other thing. Because at first, girl was going through a breakup with Upumelelo. All of a sudden, she is getting married. She gets married now. She's going through a lot in her marriage. She is taking another job out of the country, just like that, without even thinking about the kids, without even thinking twice about it. Hey, but again, really, if it's something that she wants, then she can just go for it, Maybe it could be good for her, and let's just hope Chef Sabelo is not behind this whole thing, We are just hoping, because some people are even saying that girl, she will go back to Umpumelelo, hey wara, but I don't think she will go back. But asas guys, and there was something to Izingane, but we wish her all the best, and thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.